In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. Milestones are those key checkpoints that mark major events or decision points in your project. Think of them as the moments you want to call out on your timeline, launch dates, approvals, or handoffs, so everyone can see exactly when they happen. First, head over to Smartsheet in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace that contains your project. You'll find workspaces listed along the left side of the screen. Choose the one where your sheet lives so you're working in the right place. Open the sheet you want to use. This should be your project plan with your tasks listed in rows. Make sure your sheet includes start date and end date columns. Most project templates in Smartsheet already have these, and they're essential for driving the Gantt chart. Now switch the view to Gantt. At the top of the sheet, look for the view options and select Gantt. Your screen will split into two areas, the grid with your tasks on the left and the timeline on the right. If the timeline looks compressed, use the zoom controls to adjust the scale so you can clearly see your dates. To create a milestone, work directly in the sheet's date columns. Click into the start date cell for the task you want to mark as a milestone, then set the end date to the exact same date. In Smartsheet, a milestone is simply a task with zero duration. Setting the same start and end date tells Smartsheet this isn't a multi-day task. It's a single point in time. If your sheet uses a duration column, entering 0D will do the same thing, but matching the start and end dates is the most straightforward approach. Use the date picker to avoid typos, and make sure your date falls within the visible range of your timeline. Look to the Gantt chart on the right, and you'll see the task display as a diamond shape. That diamond is your milestone. If you need to adjust it, you can change the date in the grid, and the diamond will move accordingly. Rename the task row to clearly describe what the milestone represents, like kickoff complete or phase 1 sign off, so the Gantt tells a clear story. Don't forget to save your changes when you're done. That's all it takes to create milestones in Smartsheet. Open your sheet, switch to Gantt, set the same start and end date, and watch the milestone appear.